There's a view of the pretty Spanish countryside. Anyway, we are in Toledo, not Toledo, Ohio, Toledo, España, at Corralillo de San Miguel, this parking garage. And we got a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Is this the... That's weird. It's like partly off. What the hell? That is a very funky design for the panel. It's like a light and it zigzags down and comes across. I think these are DMG buttons, but I'm not sure. The indicator's fucked. Arona? It's not an Arona. Oh, that's the people who maintain it, not the installer. At least it's kind of fast. This is definitely the strangest design for a COP I've seen. So it's got the light incorporated into it as well. That is very funky. All sorts of random stickers and crap up here. What does it say? 2013 this was put in.